Today we're going to define your niche, get business tips from ChatGPT, and also, I'm going to be a pirate. Okay, be honest. When it comes to ChatGPT, do you love it or do you hate it? I know for me as a copywriter, I do not always love the copy that it spits out. And also, I usually hate the copy that it spits out. But it is so super duper awesome good when it comes to things like organizing your thoughts or being your own virtual assistant. And in this case, it means helping you pinpoint your ideal client like that. Whoops, sorry, clap on. So today I'm going to use my handy dandy little ChatGPT prompt and have my robot slave do all the legwork for me so I can knock out my niche and define my target audience in like 5 minutes. And of course, when I say me, I mean Longbeard the Pirate, because that's whose audience we're actually going to define today. Now, why did I choose a pirate who's selling an online course? I don't know. I've always had a thing for Captain Jack Sparrow. Now, before we totally dive in, you'll want to have a good feel for your customers' demographics. If you're already selling something or you're coaching, then beautiful. You should be able to use your Google Analytics for that. Otherwise, just use your super smart customer knowledge. You'll want to know things like their age, their gender, what country they're coming from, and especially the way that you want to serve them best. Okay, on to ChatGPT.
So here we are in ChatGPT, and I've already gone ahead and put in my prompt and changed it to better fit Mr. Longbeard the Pirate. So after you put that in, you ask ChatGPT, what are some of the interests my ideal client might have? And my ideal client, a slightly drunken 17th century seafarer, may have a range of interests that you can tap into. Okay, so we've got navigation and cartography, pirate history. That's not the only thing that you can ask ChatGPT to get a better feel for who your niche is. So you can also ask, and this is one of my favorites, what are some great lead magnets I can offer my ideal client? Because sometimes it can be really tough to think of those, and ChatGPT usually has some pretty good answers on that. How about a comprehensive glossary of pirate terms? Sounds good. Treasure map templates, of course. I love this. This is so great. Nautical knot tying guide. There is some gold in here, and I do not mean that as a pun, or maybe I did actually. What are some ways I could offer them value on my email list? Because every pirate should have an email list. Okay, so we have exclusive content, early access, Q&A sessions, how to be the best pirate, pirate books and movie promotions, pirate challenger contests. There's some good ways that you can provide value on here. And for your specific niche, it really does help to have all of these ideas kind of listed out so that you know the different ways that you can help your audience. You can also ask, what would a successful sales funnel look like? Okay, so it goes through the sales funnel for your audience of 17th century seafarers. It goes from the awareness stage, which is content marketing, lead magnets, to the interest and consideration stage, to decision, action, post-purchase, all of that good stuff. And it can do the same for yours. Now, the last question that I would ask, and I ask this because it's so much easier to take a prospect from engaged with your free stuff to a very small, inexpensive buyer, rather than to take them from free all the way to your high ticket items. So you want to have, if you can, some middle ground there. So a good question to ask is there an inexpensive offer I could make that would help them become low scale buyers and ease them into becoming a ticket customer? Yeah, see, that is called a tripwire. Now you go from free to offering a low value exchange, and that makes them much more likely to later accept a high value exchange. You can do a mini course, a pirate treasure hunt, a pirate themed ebook, all these fun things. And that works not just if you're a pirate, but also for any type of course and really any type of entrepreneurship.
There it is, super quick, super easy. Now, ChatGPT is just like any other tool in your toolkit, like Photoshop or Google or whatever it is that you're using, a tool is only going to be as good as the person holding it. That's why you've probably heard people tell you use very specific prompts. The more specific you can get with the prompts, the better the output is going to be. And I will actually copy and paste that ChatGPT prompt in the description below me. So if you want to try it out, tweak it, see what your little robot slave can come up with. Anyway, that's all for me. Have a wonderful, blessed day. And remember to like and subscribe if you want to have more chats just like this.